salad. Like if you, I usually make my salad with English spinach, but you can mix it with your lettuce if you aren't used to having it. But I find it's actually a nicer flavour. It's sort of a bit more filling, but it actually is a bit sweet when I start thinking about it. There isn't any sugar in it.
We just proved it with this mint slice.
I know, but for breakfast you could put your eggs on some spinach.
True.
Yeah, and you're not going to cook it.
Or an omelette.
Yeah, that's right. And at the moment I'm playing around with...
A Liberal politician assuring us that they fixed the problem again, and the usual rubbish about if we don't export livestock, other countries with less humane animal welfare will take over. It's rubbish, Paul. That's what Paul says anyway. Thank you. Look, let me finish off with Trish. She wants to talk about this.
Trust you when I don't trust myself.
That's classic cars of all varieties. Fantastic book. Get your hands on a copy if you can. 10:31. You're tuned into On the Record on RTR FM. And this is Anushka. You mine.